Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today, I'm playing Fortnite.
Oh shit. Alright, what's up?
So,
We're playing REPO.
how do we start the game?
We finna get some bitches. Alright.
So what do you do in this game?
It's literally just Lethal Company multiplied by
The shopping cart?
shut the fuck up! It's a funnier version of Lethal Company. Fuck.
You never told me you can run me. I can run you over.
And look, click control. Hold up. Yeah, click control. Wait, click it. Yo,
You trying to pick me up?
I can't pick him up. Hold on, go back down.
What the fuck? Now you press it. So
Yeah, are you probably
yeah,
getting
I
us
think
out
your
of
little
the way?
fat ass up, fat neg, fat neck Annie. So we just steal shit?
Yeah, literally, you just pick shit up. Look, it's $500, and if you fucking slam this on something, it loses money. Oh fuck, I lost $50.
Just like Minecraft? What the fuck? I don't say no more. Just close that. Oh shit! Elidios?
Yeah.
Oh my!
Ah! Ah! What the fuck just happened? I think I found out where he went. Look at him. Leave already, bro. Don't kick my PC.
You fucking goofy foot ass kid.
Bro, this fucking hot potato keeps fucking walking. Step back! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm still gonna fucking. Ah! Ah!
Oh shit!
I just had to take that
Oh
PC.
shit!
Bro.
Yo, I got some.
Bro.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What is this?
We have to kill each other. Stay back, bitch. Ah!
Oh shit.
That fat ass frog. Back up. Back up, bitch.
My shit doing no damage.
Oh my.
I'm a sled.
God.
Damn! Are you sniffing that kush?
I got a Glock. Back up.
Oh shit!
Back up.
We about aim, trash ass nigga.
Yo,
So that was
you
some.
fucking.
That was some good aim.
No, you hit yourself with your own fucking hammer.
Are you serious right now?
And then your hammer did it back.
Look at me in the fucking face.
Like, what the fuck?
I just farted, Daddy.
Okay. I found out what button you gotta pick to pick up.
What button is it?
You click Q. Look, click Q. Bitch, Jessica.
Ah!
Bitch, Jessica. Ah,
Damn!
fuck!
What the fuck does Q do?
It just, I don't know, it just lets you pick them up. It just makes you smaller. Hey, let me go! Hey, let me go! Oh, wait.
How did I hit you?
I don't fucking know. But all I know is it hurt.
Hey.
Type of Bring it here! Ah!
Oh, it's happening! Help!
Help!
Are you
I
good,
can't
little
lift
nigga?
it! I can't lift it! Help!
What's up, AK?
We can leave after this, bitch. Let's go. Let me let me go grab this plate real quick.
Put it in my ass.
Oh fuck. I don't think we gotta play no more. Check mark. Tax return.
Oh my gosh!
What I hear, little kid giggle.
Do not go over there.
Leave. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
Yes?
Sir, how much does that cost? Yo, you think he can hear me? Sir. You're so tiny.
Oh shit, he's dead. Oh shit. Eat that.
What the fuck?
Yeah, eat this too. Oh!
Alright.
Oh, fuck. Oh, work, nigga. Oh, work, nigga.
Let's get in money, bro. Come on.
Yeah. We need 11,000? That's light.
Did he just open the door?
Look, we already got the plate.
Yeah, let's hope it doesn't slide off. Come here.
I just want to feel this potion all night.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, it's heavy. Ow. Yeah, let's get his money up.
Watch out. Tell me where to go. I don't want to hit the wall. Alright, never mind. Oh, fuck.
Oh. Where am I?
So,
So why did you break the door?
the fuck you mean why I break the door?
You broke those. Come here. There's a
Where you
fat.
at?
Oh, it's either to the left, to the left, to the left. But turn around, bitch.
Yo, to the right. It was 2,800.
Wait, it's okay. I got a replacement.
Oh, shit!
Don't forget it. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck! Why the fuck you slamming on my fucking head? What the fuck?
What was your? Wait, there's something in there. This bitch worth 600. You quit looking at me. You're so fucking black. Oh fuck, I missed. Oh fuck, I missed. Yeah, you
Fuck, I
missed.
missed. Fuck, I missed.
Hold on,
No,
let me check
now-
my teammate at. What the fuck? What the fuck? It's open. Open. Back up, nigger! Get out of here! Ah! Help! Don't go over those fucking gnomes! There's a fucking gnome right there to your right. There's three of them. They're like they got knives. Yeah, good luck.
Elijah?
Hey, good luck over there, man.
What
Oh.
the fuck is that?
No, please. Hey, please! Die! Let go of me! I'm gone. Oh, help! I can't.
See you.
And then some fat bitch stabbed me in my butt. Oh, I can't stand. Come on,
Come
nigga.
on.
Bitch.
Ow! Ow!
Come here, bitch.
Come on, I got a PC.
Ah.
Come on, Mark ass nigga got this frog. Bitch ass nigga, where you at? Where you at? Yeah. Go on. No. Where you going? Oh shit.
Marquez, thank you.
Party time, pussy. Hammer time. How'd you die?
Up, down, up, down. Oh, it looks different this way.
Wait,
Come here.
Extension.
Come here, this monkey.
I heard don't open the door and then you stop talking.
No, my toilet prop. Get up. Get up. Ah.
Oh.
What
So,
the fuck? Bro, you gotta
Is it
open
80 million
cabinets.
K?
You gotta open cabinets, bro.
You
Oh
gotta
my
open up
fuck.
bank.
Oh, I lost $12. Like what? Friend, where do you go? I have money. I have money.
Bad boy, help me!
Fuck
Oh,
you
that's
mean
not you, alright. That is not you! Oh, shit! The fuck? Who do they think he is?
What the fuck?
Ah! Ah!
Yeah. What's going on? Why is it bubbling? Ah! Ah! Oh shit, I'm still in here.
Alright.
Help! Help! I can't jump! Ah!
Damn!
Who the fuck gave that nigga NFL superpowers? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bro was like,
I
ah!
was gone. Well, he was harvesting my energy. I tried taking this item right here.
Monkey.
What the fuck?
Slapped you in the dick with this shit, boy. Let me go home, bro. Oh, fuck.
Like a fat boy.
Better get ugly.
Shit.
Heave. Oh, heave. Oh, shit. Wrong person. I think we're on the wrong way. Ooh, a vase. Oh, it's Noah! Run! I don't think that was his friend. Oh my goodness. They're staying a little long here. Hey man! Did you know them?
So how come you never told me that there was someone behind me?
Cause I thought you would notice because a big ass black guy standing all over you.
Oh shit.
What the?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my fucking head.
My fault, get. Oh, wait.
Why is it worth 88K?
Uh-oh.
I'm at 1 HP. I'm at 1 HP. Ah, bad aim, nigger.
He's only wrote.
Let's log in, bro. Let's log in.
Facts.
So, yo, fat bitch, think you forgot something? Quit looking at me like that. Get the fuck out of my.
Oh shit. Hey!
Get the fuck out of my fucking tray.
Yes, it was.
Yo, no. Who's the last? No. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! He's fucking dead. He's fucking dead. Shit on my extraction zone, bitch. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Bad aim, goofball. Yeah, stupid. Your laser can't go through wall, can it? Oh, fuck.
Get out.
I was making fun of him, and he kind of kicked me in the face.
You like that? You like that?
Flashbang!
Oh!
0.
200 fucking pump! I got no aim. Where's the aim assist at, bro?
Holy
Oh,
fuck.
shit.
You used every weapon.
Oh, shit! I'm fucking flying!
Bitch Johnson. Get this dumbass globulin out of my fucking way.
What the fuck is that?
Don't know. You used every single fucking weapon. Get his ass, yes!
Ah!
Die, bitch! Yes. It is my victory.
I win.
So, can you guys take me back up? Hello? Oh, fuck.